Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to My Slice of Heaven Outdoors. Today we're going to try a new breakfast recipe. It says it's a no cleanup recipe. So stay tuned, stick around, and see how much of a mess I make in this no mess breakfast. Alright, welcome back. For this meal we have tortillas, lunch meat, shredded cheese, and eggs. Now, I've always just used regular foil, but I bought this thing of heavy-duty foil the other day, and I used it at home, and it felt a lot thicker. So since we're putting this meal over the campfire, I'm going to use the heavy-duty foil so that hopefully it's less likely to rip and tear as we're turning it on the fire and such. Alright, so first thing you do, you put a tortilla on the foil. We're going to use turkey lunch meat today. Should have opened this ahead of time, sorry about that. And you put 2 slices of the lunch meat kind of in the middle because you're going to be folding up the edges. Next comes the shredded cheese, and you're going to make a circle or a ring with the cheese. That's not making a very good ring, is it? I'm going to have to adjust that. Now the next part you got to be quick on, because you crack an egg, put it in, roll it up, without it making a mess. I'll get my wipes ready in case it makes a mess and I have to clean my fingers. That's how much I trust myself. Now what's funny is we were supposed to have this meal yesterday for breakfast, and I had everything packed and we were all good, except I forgot the eggs. So, luckily we happened to be at a store yesterday and we bought some eggs. Alright, here it goes. I want egg in there and no shell. Probably should have read the recipe better to see how to roll this thing up. Got just a little bit of egg peeking out. There, now it is not. Now I gotta wrap up the foil around it. One is done. So now I'm going to make, I'm thinking Peyton and I are each only going to eat 1, and Joey's going to eat 2, so I'm going to make 3 more. And then bring you back when we put them on the fire. Alright everybody, I have all 4 of the foil packs ready to go. I wasn't able to get the egg totally inside on all 4, only on 2 of the 4, so we'll see how that works. We're ready to eat this. We're ready to go put them on the fire now. Alright, I just checked the foil packs for the 2nd time. The white's cooked, the yellow still isn't. So they seem to be solid enough I can flip them over and hopefully cook them a little faster, because this is taking a bit longer than we thought it was going to. So I'm gonna flip over the foil packs and try to get the yellow cooked up on them. Keep the smoke out of my eyes. I can hear the eggs sizzling a little bit when I flip them over, so getting some heat in a good place on them. We'll check them again in a few minutes. Alright, it's been a couple of minutes. Going to see how the foil packs look now that they've been flipped for a while. I'm going to bring it over here so it's easier to record. The oil's hot, but there's no surprise there. That's what I meant when I said I should have sprayed it. This must be one of the ones that sealed well when I was closing them. Kept all the egg inside. Ooh, it's hot. Now, opening it up. Looks done to me. I think we're good. So we'll have to see how they taste.
All right, Peyton, how is that breakfast?
So good.
You got it
Hot. It's really hot.
Hey, Chris is still pouring us some orange juice. We'll let you know how she feels about it in a second.
I just had my first bite. I wasn't sure I was going to like it with the turkey. I would think ham would go really well, but the turkey is really good. Not saying ham wouldn't be, but it's really good with the turkey. And I was also concerned not having any salt or pepper on it. But again, I think it tastes real good just the way it is.
Yep, I agree. It's very good.
All right, thanks everyone for watching the video, and please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. Have a good day.